we're looking at the Drax, right? This next one we're going to be looking at is the Drax. And again, these models have released already. I have featured them here in the channel before. These are just new variants of these knives. I believe last time we checked out the Drax on Ultim scales, but now we have this beautiful black and blue carbon fiber going on. Come on now, that deserves a nice 5x zoom if you ask me. That's beautiful. We have a deep pocket carry clip that is reversible with the hardware on the other side. We got a lanyard solution hole back there. It's going to be a crossbar lock, so this is going to be your bench-made bug out killer, if you would. And then we have a matching beautiful drop point blade, just what the doctor ordered right there. 14C 28N steel with the black wash. Loving the combo, right? Because then, you know, the liners are recessed, but they're all blacked out as well. Hardware's blacked out, right? The crossbar lock, the logo, the pivot, everything is blacked out. So good action with the Omega springs and the crossbar lock. Thumb deployment is nice. Reverse flick. Oh yeah, every single one of those is money. You're able to get a full 4-finger grip. No dedicated finger choil on this one like you do on the Axor. But I mean, plenty of handle. Able to get work done without a doubt. And good jimping zone there as well. Again, very ambidextrous friendly with the crossbar lock. And you can move that clip over to the other side if you wanted to. I have 0 dexterity on my left hand, so don't mind me. Obviously, if you're a lefty, you should have more dexterity than me. And on the ergonomics department, this pocket clip somehow gets the job done, right? Really nice, solid 9.5. Yeah, I'm gonna go 9.5 out of 10 right there, for sure. So that is the Drax. This next one is another Drax. Let's see what this one's all about here. Looks like maybe a different variant. Let's take a look. All right, looks like this one has, ladies and gentlemen, some purple going on. So purple carbon fiber going on this one. It's mostly black, but I love the subtle hints of purple. So it's not too overstated. It's more like nice and tastefully integrated in there. That's looking really good. If you're a fan of purple, especially carbon fiber, that is pretty sweet if you ask me. Right, we got matching purple thumb studs on this one, right? And then that sandwich construction, recessed liners, 2 standoffs, right? Deep pocket carry clip reversible, just like the previous model we looked at. Except the blade on this one is going to be a beautiful stonewash finish, right? Let's get a closer look there. Let's go a little bit closer. There we go. All right, check out the stonewash finish. Again, this is a budget bench-made bug out killer for sure. So absolutely has that going for it without a doubt. And I'm here for it. Absolutely sign me up. All right, flat grind going on and got some belly there. Beautiful drop point blade. It's got the sauce. Checking out the action here. All right, very smooth. Just like this other counterpart we looked at. Oh yeah, that is really, really good. Right? Again, feels nice on the hand like we said earlier. Yeah, absolutely a very nice package here for not a lot of money, right? I am absolutely down for it. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.